Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. Long time no see. So, alright, let me just go ahead and give you an update. So, first of all, I hope everybody is doing well, and I just want to thank absolutely everybody. Everyone who's been around a while, all of the new subscribers, and we'll get to that in just a minute. So, just want to give you a update. It has been a whirlwind for the past almost 3 months, which I cannot believe. 90 days, something like that. Just started before Christmas. So for those of you who don't know, I have taken a new position in my company that is specifically a data analyst position. So I am just floored because yes, I was doing my things with Python. I was doing my stock trading. I was working. I had aspirations to, but I was just continuously putting one step in front of the other. And this opportunity came, and just kind of really out of sorts for me, out of uncharacteristic. But all these things, and this is kind of what I want to talk about in this video, but I've been in this position for a month now, 4 weeks, and I am learning a tremendous amount from everything. Creative thinking, being in the process, being in the meetings where big decisions are being made. I'm being asked for things that I've never done before, having to do things that I've never done before, and it is just exhilarating, scary. Please don't think it's that I remember when every part of this was like, oh my God, am I going to be able to do this? Oh my God, am I going to be able to do this? And this team that I'm on is so just, well, one, very supportive, but very, 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 very smart. Very analytical, very problem solving, really understands how to solve a problem. And I think that's part of this really cool process. Well, what is the problem? It's things that I've said, but now I'm a part of these teams. I was doing other work and I would bring some analytics in, but now this is literally all I do is think, how do I need to solve this problem? So this is actually what I want to really kind of talk about in this video. And I may talk about it again. But everybody, first of all, you are on your own path. So let me say that again. You are on your own path. And I'm 45 years old, and that has taken me, I said it, I've said it, and I've said it again. And it was very trying for me. And actually, probably about a year or two ago, I saw one of the Supreme Court justices. He was asked about his path, and the way that he answered it is he never aspired to be on the court, on the high court. But what he did is wherever he was, he did his very best. So I guess this is where I was really, and I've been analyzing where I am right now. And every single little piece of me in every little corner is enabling me to do the job that I have now. So this is what I want to share with you, is all these problems that I would stay up at night and want to solve and think through. And I wondered, am I learning anything? Well, yeah, I'm learning to problem solve. So sliding window algorithms, and I'd get up and all these other, I've signed up for all kinds of different courses over the, 10 years I've been learning Python now, which I cannot believe. And I think, holy moly, I think we're coming up on an anniversary. All right, I'll have to check that later. Don't hold me to that. I'm not going to, because it's almost a birthday. So yeah, sorry, haven't really thought this all through. This is off the cuff. But where I'm going with this is I want you to think about this. 45 years old, been on my path of adulthood for 27 years. So I want you to think about that. 27 years. Been with this one company for 20 years. But it has taken all of these little parts, the communication that I have had to learn, my programming ability, because here's the most interesting part for me, is that I got this job because of my Python. I'm going down this data analyst role, and I'm having to spend much more time, predominantly my entire time so far, is SQL. So Python got me this job to give me the opportunity to learn SQL. I'm learning something every day. I'm learning how the team works, how the team attacks a problem. See, because we're on a team that supports a larger team, and actually several teams on that team. It's a very interesting dynamic, and I'm still really learning the fundamentals of it. And I'm partnered with a very awesome project manager, and she leads me down a path where I'll be talking and she nudges me over, but it's my willingness to listen and think that I don't have all the answers. And that is from just all of my other experiences. So just don't be in such a hurry to have everything, because if I would have gotten this opportunity even 5 years ago, I would not have been prepared. I wouldn't have. And the individual that got me going and remembered me was probably met them 3 years ago. And I wouldn't have been prepared. I didn't have all my other stuff together. So there's just these little parts and these little pieces. So take what you have in front of you. Do the very best with that. Now that's for the ones who are here that are on your own path. There are other individuals. This channel is for an individual who is their own, who is blazing. Look, that's what I can tell you. I have blazed my own path. It hasn't been easy. It is been a rocky road. I was putting the road down as I was going, but where I am right now was built upon what I want you to think about: 27 years. So I know I've droned on and on, but the most important thing that I want to say today is I want to say thank you so very much to, I think you guys can hear me. Thank you so very much. 9,085 subscribers. I just can't believe it. And I am trying to get some videos around, but I am just so and I'm just absolutely loving my new job. So I want to apologize to you all that you have been neglected, and I apologize. But I am trying to, because my schedule's changed, workload's changed, but it's just because it's these problems. So it's not that I still have, again, this is all still very new to me. So I guess the best way to describe it is that there's always problems out there to be solved. So I am always thinking about those, and then maybe I go make some notes, and then I come back, and then I go back to what I was doing at home or working on something else. But I am working on a process, because that's really all I do now is work on processes and data sets, and really just kind of analyze those. So I just wanted to give you an update today, and I can't tell you all thank you so very much. This is extremely humbling. I know in the grand scheme of things, this is very small, but I have a very, very wise young man as one of my sons. He said, "Dad, think about if you had 9,000 people standing behind you watching you program." And that was kind of humbling. So I appreciate every single one of you, and I never want you to not know that. So thank you as always. Please drop any comments, questions. Please jump down in the Discord down below. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.